What's going on, boys and girls? Dave back again, and today we're going to be taking a look at one of many things I ended up picking up over at Galactic Toys. I decided to pick up some of the DSPIAE tools because, well, everyone keeps messaging me that I have to try them. So in this short video, we're going to take a look at the angled tweezers and see how they stack up against my regular ones that I end up using. Now, before I end up jumping into this, let me say the normal ones that I end up using are actually for eye surgery. They have a super fine tip. If I drop them, which I hope God help me I never do, but if I end up dropping them, they're going to end up bending and probably ruining them forever. So I've been looking for an alternative, something that you guys can end up easily getting and will work well for your water slides, for placing parts, things like that. And hopefully these will end up doing the trick. So without further ado, let's jump down to the table, take a quick look at these, and then we'll be out of here. All right. So here we are with the DSPIAE, and hopefully I'm pronouncing these correctly. These are the HD angled tweezers, model number AT-TZ01. Taking a look at the backside here, caution, the end of the tweezers are sharp. Do not allow children under 10 years of age to touch it. Do not drop this product, may cause damage to it. Blah, 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 blah. Product attributes, material, stainless steel. Product name, thin tipped tweezer. Brand, DSPIAE. Let's see here, size 123 millimeters, and weight is 21 grams. Stainless steel, high pressure forged. Company Shanghai Maxon Trading Company. Email DSPIAE@Yahoo. Website DSPIAE.com. All right, so taking a look at the tweezers that I end up using, they are stainless steel. You can end up ordering these. They are by Miltex. They are made in the USA. They are pricey though. I think these are around $45, and I ended up getting these a long time ago because I really like that very fine tip, for especially for doing water slide. Now, one thing I will say is I have a lot of tweezers that have straight tips, but I like doing the angle tips, especially if you're placing parts. You can actually see it, and it's more ergonomic to be able to place it this way instead of having to do it this way or this way. So taking a look, we're going to pop open the box. Now, this is the first of many DSPIAE tools that I have ended up ordering and picking up. So I've seen unboxings and stuff, and they seem to be really high quality as far as their packaging and everything. So box out of the way. It is nicely in foam. You pull them out, and they are shiny, like they are super shiny. They are laser engraved, looks like right there, and they are shiny enough. I have to find a dark spot, but they do say DSPIAE. They do come with a little tip on here. I would probably recommend keeping that just to slip that on while it's in a drawer. Now, one of the things I look for, especially in production, is okay, this outside is nice and shiny, everything looks great, but on the inside, what does it look like? Like, how much care did they end up putting on the inside? And there's a little gunkies in there, but I think that's probably from the polishing and the buffing. It's nothing that a cloth can't wipe out. These tips are super fine. In fact, comparing to mine, the actual tip is about the same size. And they are very sharp, so you will cause blood if you stab yourself with these. So all in all, are these worth the price? I really think so. So for these, right now they are sold out. You can definitely head over to Galactic Toys and keep an eye on there. They're $6.95. They do have a pair of these that have a flat tip on there, which is probably going to be something similar to this, and those are $6.95 as well. I know that he has more stuff coming in, so definitely keep an eye on that. Now, if you use code Starshadow at Galactic Toys, you will get 10% off of that $6.95. I think for $6.95 plus the 10% off, it is well worth your money just to pick up some of these. Even if you use these only for doing your decals, I think these are going to work really great. So that is it, boys and girls. We've taken a look at the DSPIAE tweezers. Definitely keep an eye on. Like I said, they're $6.95 for either the flat tip or for the needlepoint. They are a hell of a lot cheaper than the ones that I've been using. Like I said, they're medical grade, so they're pretty pricey. They're like $40 if you end up trying to buy them. For that price, you can get like a dozen of these. Definitely something to stick in your arsenal. As you know, I'm a sucker for toys. There is always a tool for the right job, and I'm trying to show you guys, at least budget friendly wise, as to what will work best for you and pick up. As I said earlier, Check them out over on Galactic Toys. Use code Starshadow for 10% off. Click the link down below. It is an affiliate link. I get a very, very little sliver. Costs you nothing, but it does help out the channel for me picking up more stuff to review for you guys. As usual, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.